Picture this. It's 1957. The world is on the brink of a new era, an era defined by the vast unknown of space. People gather around their televisions, eyes wide with anticipation, hearts pounding with excitement. The world watches in awe as Sputnik orbits Earth. This tiny satellite, a mere 23 inches in diameter, becomes a symbol of human ingenuity and the dawn of space exploration. But this time, it's not a lone satellite representing one superpower. Imagine a different scenario, where Sputnik's launch is a collaborative effort, a beacon of global unity. It's a symbol of global unity, a joint effort of the world's brightest minds. Scientists and engineers from every corner of the globe, working side by side, sharing knowledge and resources. Imagine the possibilities if the space race had transformed into a space collaboration from the very beginning. Instead of a race to outdo one another, nations come together to push the boundaries of what is possible. Instead of competing, nations pooled resources and expertise. The combined efforts lead to faster advancements, more efficient use of resources, and a shared sense of accomplishment. The iconic image of Armstrong's footprint on the moon, a moment that defined an era. Now imagine it surrounded by footprints from every corner of the globe, each step a testament to international cooperation and shared dreams. This spirit of collaboration wouldn't be limited to symbolic gestures. It would be the foundation of every mission, every discovery, every leap forward. It would lay the foundation for a future where space exploration is not a competition, but a shared human endeavor. A future where every nation has a stake in the stars. This unified approach would accelerate our understanding of the cosmos. The combined knowledge and expertise would lead to breakthroughs we can only dream of today. Imagine the advancements in rocket technology, satellite communication, and space-based observation. The possibilities are endless when the world's best minds work together. This shared journey beyond Earth would push the boundaries of science and technology far beyond what we can currently imagine. It would be a journey of discovery, innovation, and unity. But the implications go even deeper. The very act of working together towards a common goal in the vastness of space could foster a new era of peace and understanding on Earth. The collaboration in space could serve as a model for cooperation in other fields. It could inspire nations to work together in science, medicine, and beyond, breaking down barriers and building bridges. The challenges of space exploration would demand international cooperation, breaking down barriers and reminding us of our shared humanity. It would be a powerful reminder that we are all in this together, that our future is intertwined, and that the stars belong to all of us. Imagine a world governed not only by the United Nations, but also by a united space agency. This agency, funded and staffed by all nations, would serve as a central hub for space exploration. It would coordinate missions, pool resources, and share knowledge gained from the cosmos. This global collaboration wouldn't just be about sharing costs, it would be about combining the unique strengths of different nations. Imagine Japanese robotics working alongside American spacecraft, powered by solar panels developed in Germany. This global effort would extend beyond government agencies. Private companies, driven by the immense potential of space, would form international partnerships. They would invest in research and development, leading to innovations in areas like asteroid mining and space tourism. With a unified approach, the dream of establishing a permanent human presence on the Moon or Mars wouldn't seem so distant. A global space agency would streamline the process, from research and development to mission execution, and perhaps most importantly, it would ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared by all humankind. With global collaboration fueling our efforts, the technological advancements would be breathtaking. Imagine a world where the brightest minds from every corner of the globe come together, sharing knowledge, resources, and expertise. This synergy would accelerate our progress, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible. Reusable rockets, like SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, would become the norm, drastically reducing the cost of space travel. These rockets, designed to be launched, landed, and relaunched multiple times, would revolutionize the economics of space exploration. The ability to reuse rockets would mean more frequent missions, more opportunities for research, and a significant reduction in the environmental impact of space travel. This would make space more accessible, not just for astronauts, but for scientists, engineers, and even tourists. Imagine a future where space travel is as common as air travel is today. Scientists could conduct experiments in microgravity, engineers could test new technologies in the harsh environment of space, and tourists could experience the wonder of zero gravity, all thanks to the reduced costs and increased frequency of space missions. But we wouldn't stop there. The advancements in reusable rockets would be just the beginning. The spirit of innovation and collaboration would drive us to explore even more ambitious projects, pushing the boundaries of our imagination and engineering capabilities. Imagine a world where space elevators, those science fiction staples, become a reality. These towering structures would revolutionize how we access space, making it more efficient and sustainable. The concept of a space elevator, once a dream, would become a tangible reality, transforming our approach to space travel. These colossal structures, anchored to Earth and extending beyond the atmosphere, would use centrifugal force to lift payloads and people into orbit, eliminating the need for traditional rockets. The space elevator would be a game changer, providing a continuous and reliable means of transporting goods and people to space, reducing the risks and costs associated with rocket launches. The development of space-based infrastructure would reach new heights. Engineers and scientists would work tirelessly to construct and maintain these structures, ensuring their safety and efficiency. The construction of space elevators and other infrastructure would require new materials and technologies, driving innovation in multiple fields. We'd see the construction of massive space stations, not just for research, but also for manufacturing and even tourism. These space stations would be modular, allowing for expansion and customization based on the needs of their inhabitants. They would serve as hubs for scientific research, industrial production, and even recreational activities, creating new opportunities for economic growth and human exploration. These stations, powered by solar energy and potentially even fusion reactors, would become hubs of innovation, pushing the boundaries of science and technology. The use of renewable energy sources would make these stations self-sufficient, reducing their reliance on Earth-based resources and minimizing their environmental impact. The construction of such ambitious projects would lead to breakthroughs in materials science, energy production, and robotics, with applications not just in space, but also here on Earth. The challenges of building and maintaining space infrastructure would drive advancements in these fields, leading to new technologies and solutions that could benefit all of humanity. The challenges of operating in the harsh environment of space would force us to innovate, leading to technological advancements that could solve some of humanity's most pressing problems. From new materials that can withstand extreme conditions to energy solutions that can power our future, the innovations born out of our quest to explore space would have far-reaching impacts, improving life on Earth and beyond. Mars, the red planet, has always captivated our imagination. Its rusty, barren landscape, dotted with craters and canyons, has been a source of endless fascination for scientists and dreamers alike. The idea of setting foot on this distant world has inspired countless stories, movies, and scientific endeavors. In this alternate future, it wouldn't just be a destination for robotic probes, but a new frontier for human settlement. Picture a world where humans live and work on Mars, building a new society from the ground up. This vision of the future is not just a fantasy, but a tangible goal that we are steadily working towards. With the combined resources and expertise of the world behind us, establishing a permanent human presence on Mars would become a real possibility. International collaboration would be key, bringing together the brightest minds from various fields, scientists, engineers, doctors, and more, to tackle the immense challenges that lie ahead. We'd develop advanced life support systems, utilizing Martian resources to create breathable air, fertile soil, and even sources of energy. This would involve cutting-edge technology, from machines that convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, to systems that extract water from the Martian soil. These innovations would not only sustain life, but also pave the way for future generations to thrive on Mars. Imagine vast biodomes, teeming with plant life, transforming the Martian landscape. These biodomes would be engineering marvels, designed to withstand the harsh Martian environment while providing a nurturing habitat for plants and humans alike. They would be filled with a variety of crops, from leafy greens to fruit-bearing trees, ensuring a diverse and sustainable food supply. These biodomes wouldn't just provide sustenance, but also psychological comfort, recreating a sense of Earth on a distant planet. The sight of green plants and the smell of fresh soil would offer a much-needed respite from the stark, red landscape outside. They would serve as communal spaces where people could gather, relax, and feel a connection to their home planet. The challenges of living on Mars would push human ingenuity to its limits. From developing new technologies to solve everyday problems to finding creative ways to adapt to the unique Martian environment, every day would be a test of our resilience and resourcefulness. The harsh conditions would demand constant innovation and a willingness to think outside the box. We'd develop new forms of agriculture, adapt to the lower gravity, and find innovative ways to protect ourselves from radiation. This would involve experimenting with different growing techniques, such as hydroponics and aeroponics, to maximize crop yields in the limited space available. Protective measures, like radiation shielding habitats and advanced medical treatments, would be essential to ensure the health and safety of the colonists. This endeavor wouldn't be for the faint of heart, but for those with a pioneering spirit, eager to push the boundaries of human exploration. The first settlers on Mars would be modern-day pioneers, facing unknown dangers and overcoming incredible odds. Their courage and determination would lay the foundation for future generations to build upon. Establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars would be a testament to human resilience and our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. It would require a level of cooperation and perseverance that has rarely been seen before. Every success, no matter how small, would bring us one step closer to making Mars a second home for humanity. It would serve as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that even in the face of adversity, humanity can come together to achieve the extraordinary. The story of Mars colonization would inspire future generations to dream big and strive for greatness, proving that when we work together, there are no limits to what we can achieve.